Hello, I'm Srishti from Edusanjal. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can view your result from one of our websites, that is tu.edusanjal.com. Once you get this link, you type it out in the URL bar in your browser. Then, since a lot of students are checking the result right now, it may load very slowly. Then you are going to see this page, which it has automatically selected 4 years BBS second year, because this is the latest result that we have. So now that you have this, all you have to do is type your roll number in this box, your symbol number. So I'm just going to put a random number that I will use to demonstrate. So once you type this out, click the submit button. Then wait for a while, it will load. Okay, the result has loaded. All you can view from this site is whether you passed or you failed, and you cannot see the full mark sheet because we do not have the permission from TU. So if you want to view your full mark sheet, then you have to contact the university or the college that you're studying at. It's very simple to view the results, so I hope this was helpful. If you have some questions, then you can always reach us at info@edusanjal.com, and you can also message us through our Facebook page. Thank you.